Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you my favorite hair mask ever that is best for hair fall and also dandruff problem. If you have extreme hair fall problem and dandruff problem, then you need to use this mask at least 3 times in a week, and I promise you guys, after that you will have no dandruff and hair fall problem at all. Everything will go just like magic. So now we're gonna start the video, but before we start, if you haven't subscribed, then please don't forget to subscribe. And now let's get straight into the video. Alright, for this hair mask we need only 3 ingredients, and I took a clean and dry bowl. In this bowl I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You guys, I love coconut oil. As we all know, coconut oil has been an age-old remedy for many hair problems, and hair loss can be due to many reasons. Coconut oil nourishes your scalp and that helps to stop hair fall. So I love coconut oil. And after coconut oil, you're gonna take castor oil, and this is completely optional. If you don't have it, you don't have to use it. I just love using castor oil for any kind of hair mask because I have dry hair, and it helps to moisturize my hair like nothing else. And you're gonna take 1.5 tablespoons of castor oil. After that, you're gonna take honey, and we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey straightens the hair follicles, curbing hair fall. It keeps your scalp and hair really healthy. Alright, after honey, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of lemon. Lemon helps tighten the hair follicles and curbing hair fall. It helps clean the scalp and unclog hair follicles. Clogging of follicles is the biggest issue for dandruff and hair fall, so we must need lemon for this mask. And then I just warm them up a little bit for like 40 seconds, and now I'm just mixing all the ingredients together and mixing and mixing, and soon they will come to a really nice consistency. And let me tell you guys, they smell really delicious. Alright, now I'm going to drape myself with a towel. I think you should also drape yourself as well, just that you don't get any of this on yourself or your clothes. And then you're just going to start applying this all over your scalp. You want to make sure this mask reach every inch of your scalp, which is very important. We are also going to apply this from scalp all the way to the end of your hair, because it is going to somehow soften and moisturize your hair as well. So we want to take it till the end. It's like all you're gonna do is to completely saturate your hair in this, because the more the better. Alright, after applying all over the hair, all you're gonna do is massage it very well. So massage. After completing everything, you're just gonna leave it in your hair for an hour. If you have more time, you can leave it in your hair for 2 hours, but of course not 5 to 6 hours, which is obvious. And then you're just gonna wash it off, and you're gonna have the softest and healthiest hair ever. I promise you guys, this is going to stop your hair fall and dandruff problem completely. If you have not that much of problem, you can use in a week 1 time, but if you have a lot of hair fall problem, then try to use at least 2 to 3 times, and then you will see the result within a week. And if you continue using it, oh my god, you are going to have no problem at all, and nothing can be best than that. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed, again, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.